Right, party people, we has Hyundai i10. Oh, i10. i10, it's the big bad boy. So i10, right, I've got a screen wash bottle there for it, right, which we ordered when it was in for service. The lady said it was bust, so it got bust in the winter. So that's in there, unfortunately, but since then, the lady phoned me. Right, so the lady had phoned me yesterday and said I've broken down, I've got no clutch pedal. So got the car recovered in, and there you go, that is what happened. So when I went down and looked at the pedal, because I knew it was well, had a wee look under the bonnet and went, that's a cable. Had a wee look at the pedal and went, okie doke, that's broken. So that is part of the cable, you can't change that. So, and it's just metal fatigue, there's no rot on it or anything like that, so it's quite poor, to be honest with you. That's happened, in my opinion anyway. For 2013 car, I mean, that bit has been moved on and off a million times over all those years, but no rot in it. Would possibly been okay. So that's the end. It goes down to the clutch lever fork, and this wee bit here must hook onto the end of it. Yeah, that bit that's cable tied on there must hook onto the end of there, because this is the bit that goes inside the car, and like I said, that's part of the cable, so that's just like a wee chain link, isn't it? So that's just a rivet, I think. It looks a wee bit beefier than that other one, whatever that's went to, whatever I did with that, it's in there. It's a bit thicker anyway. Yeah, a bit thicker metal. So hopefully it'll be okay. So I'll need to get the old cable off, measure it out, and then I'll need to, you can see this adjusts here, so that bit there, I must need to take a bit off the old cable, because obviously that's just sliding up and down, but the bit on the other cable, on the original cable, when we used to do these at PDI, we turn that big nut there, so I don't actually know how you get that onto the new one. So I've already disconnected it down here. There's one circlet, one split pin, right, which holds, just stops it coming back off, and I've already disconnected it to there, so I'll see if I can. Oh, I need to take that bolt out actually, down here, so there's a bolt here. Get this bolt out, lift the cable up. There's only two nuts there. It doesn't look too difficult, but it probably will be. Try to get it hooked on underneath. A bit of mechanic yoga incoming. So I reckon this screen wash bottle, but I reckon there's no. It says another on the Haynes Pro. There's no way that's another. I think we need the headlamp out it, and possibly the front frame. Maybe need to be all slackened off. No idea yet, but it doesn't look like it's an easy thing to get out of there. So I'll need to speak to the customer once I've got this fixed. See what they want to do. Right, so that is in a wee hole as well. Right, so that's out of there. Put that up there. Show me what it's for. We'll get a wee clean up. I'll put it back in. Let's see what will come out of that. Bonded in. Nothing on the other side, I don't think. Just rubber. So it's just stuck there, so I need a wee screwdriver or something in there. A wee lever. Alright, let's see. See if it's a small, an old screwdriver. Small lever or an old screwdriver. There you go, there's one that's got a bend on it. See if we can get at this. Too big to get in. No, there we go. Right. Right, let's see if I can get in there. There we go. That bit's off, so, well, can't come off in this one, soft one, that one. So, how would we get that off? And onto the new one. Good question. So how do you adjust it? Right, so I've got 2 more bolts, nuts, sorry. What's on there? They are a bit rusty, so I've got some Voltron. Onto a WD lid. And give it a little soak. Hopefully they come out. See what size there, maybe 12s maybe. Japanese and Korean cars, they like a E12. I think that's a 13 I've picked up by mistake, it is. Yeah, so they're in the wrong orientation. One over for that one. Yeah, right, so 12. So let's see if we can get onto it. Extension. Let's see if that'll miss other one. Tools everywhere. There's one there. It's not the one I was looking for, but it'll do it. It'll do. So, let's see. Go with this one, that's a bit crusty first, I think. Can't see we go into it, won't I? Oh, there we go. Right, here we go. Get in there, bad boy. Can you do it? Yes, you can. My bending screwdriver. Oh, do that. Do that camera. Fix my tripod legs. Right. There we go. Right, what we got? One more bracket. Where's that going? Right, so I've got the cable kind of fed back in. A new one anyway. Nuts on it. So, the time. inside, I think. We'll go with inside next. Figured that adjustment out, so I just left about 8 threads, just matched the other nut. Next bit, inside the car. Right, so that's outside. Of course, it's been raining all night, so the car was outside. So, unfortunately, I might not be able to film this, but I'll try. So, up here is a pedal box, and it is very tight in here, even on a small car. The little car like this, it is really tight in here. So, pull the pedal up, and there's a cable there. I can't even see myself where it's to go to. I can see the hook. Can I get onto that? No? No? Right, so... Right, I think we'll put the camera down. And get this and come back and show you guys. It's too awkward, right? I'll come back. You can see what we're up against there. Mechanic, you'll get right enough. Done it again. Ski back again. Right, so I've got the cable hooked on, unless it's fallen off since I put it on underneath, but I think, yeah, I think we're still on, so still attached there, so I should be able to pull that through. Now I've already put it into position, and after I've put the cable into position, I still need to put the nuts on and the bolts down here. And I need to try and get this on down here now, so it might reach, it might not. No, nowhere near, maybe. Right, again, that's can't see what it is. Right, so I've got the cable hooked on, I had the slack and I just moved back off, but just adjust it in situ, so I just need to put this on now. So that one to there. See if we can get in to get the nut on it, which we can. So I've had to take that other one up there. So, oh, excuse me, man. We're in Scotland, so if anybody wants to hit that like, subscribe. Then we can make some money on YouTube. Get a holiday or something. Well, I'm no Matt Armstrong, but I'm no Matt Armstrong, man. He seems to be doing really well on the YouTube, man. Really well, man. So good stuff, man. Fair play, man. Him and his dad, I think it is, and he's got his wife, his girlfriend or something like that. And man, they're setting the world to rights with fixing every supercar that's been smashed. So unfortunately, but I'm working on an i10. So there's my dad phoning me. So I'm going to go and see what Freya wants. Right, we're back on. I've made a couple more adjustments. Right, I've left a wee bit of free play. I do need to put a split pin in, but I'll get a split pin for that. So I've already checked this as well, right? So we'll just pretend. Right, the clutch cable, but the cable's obviously fine, right? But the clutch is very heavy, right? And I may get another wee, just take that tiny bit of free play out of it. But it is meant to have a little bit of free play, just so you're no, resting on the clutch pedal and actually slapping the clutch. So we'll start it up into gear. Right, she's not moving. I will take it a wee drive and just make sure the rest is okay. Stiff, reverse. It is a bit heavy, but so maybe it is needing a clutch. It's maybe why it's snapped at. I mean, yeah, I drove this car not that long ago and I didn't remember it being this heavy. To be honest with you, so we'll see if we can get, I can get another wee couple of tons on that without any real resistance, so I'll do it. And obviously I've got the airbox and stuff to put back on it. Right, so I'll see how that goes. I mean, it's not going to get any lighter, but it's a bit better. Yeah, it's a bit better. So just need to put this airbox back on. And then, well, speak to the customer about the bottle. I reckon the front end of this car looks most of getting that. I do, and I think it does well as doing an alternator belt on it while we're still in there. It is looking like it's the original belt is still on it. So you can see it's down there. It's see what kind of way does it look like it's going. Hard to see it. It really is hard to see it. So I wonder. It's hard to tell looking at it like that, so I think we just need to strip it and see. But I'll speak to the customer first, because obviously she wasn't expecting to break down yesterday, so I think she's quite pleased that our car is back driving again. But I need to road test it, but pretty confident we'll be okay. Pretty confident we'll be all good here. So we'll get this trumpet back on and then we'll take it to the road test and make sure she's all good. So if you haven't already, like I said, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, man. It's free to do, so it just helps the channel grow. And yeah, have a great day.